Video, and today in this video we will see how we can fix the issue of lagging in PUBG Mobile Emulator. Okay, so the basic reason behind the lag is the lack of memory. Okay, the lack of RAM the PC or laptop has. Mostly we have like a RAM of 2 GB or 4 GB. So it will the PUBG Mobile Emulator takes more time to load, or sometimes it lags during your gameplay. So I have came with a solution, okay, with the best PUBG Mobile settings for for a normal computer. And also, if you have a less RAM, you can even increase your RAM size by using the virtual RAM memory. Okay, so let me tell you something about virtual RAM memory. What it does actually, whatever disk space, like hard disk space you have free in your computer, you can utilize those free space and allocate those free space to your RAM. Suppose you have a RAM of 4 GB. Okay, so hardware RAM of 4 GB, then what you can do, you can additionally take 4 GB more from your hard disk space and allocate those 4 GBs as virtual memory to your RAM. Okay, so overall it will be 8 GBs of RAM. Okay, so this will efficiently work, and there won't be much lag, or it won't take much time to load. Okay, so let's begin with that. Okay, as you can see here, I have PUBG here installed, and let me show you the settings. What are the best settings that you should have? Okay, so all is fine. Make sure you have this DirectX. Okay, if you are having a normal PC like 4 GB of RAM and Core i5 processor. Okay, and make sure you see here my RAM size is 4 GB, so I have put it to 4 GB. Okay, because my RAM size is 4 GB. Processor, put it to auto. If you want to force your processor, you can just put 8, the maximum processor, but I'll suggest you to put it in auto mode. Resolution, don't touch it. DPI, leave it as it is. Okay, and rest of the thing is fine. Click on save, and as you have seen my again I'll show you that things here. As you can see here, RAM size is 4 GB. Okay, 4 GB. So how you can make virtual memory and allocate 4 GB more into your RAM, and that makes it overall 8 GB. Okay, so go to advanced system settings, and you go to advanced tab, and here's the performance tab. Go to settings, and there you go to advanced, then come here, you can see here virtual memory, go to change. Okay, and there you go. And what you have to do, you have to uncheck this one, automatically manage paging file for all drives, and put it to custom. Make sure, see I have here 4 drives here, 5 drives here, so make sure you have 4 GB of 4 GB hard disk space, free space available in whichever drive you have. Just choose that drive. I have in H. Okay, so I chose this H drive. Go to custom size, I'll allocate 4080. Okay, here also the same. That is 4000, like approximately 4 GB. Click on set. Now click on OK. So this is prompting me to restart my computer so that it will be effective. So I'll do that later. Okay, as you can see here, the total paging file size for all drives is approximately 8 GB. Okay, click on apply, click on OK. Okay, and make sure you restart your system that time. Okay, I'll do it later. So make sure you restart your system. Everything is done. Now again you go to PUBG Mobile, this game loop emulator, go to settings, go to engine, and you can see here memory, and as I click here, I'll get, as you can see here, 8 GB of, I can see here, as you can see, this 8 GB of RAM. I got here 8 GB of RAM. Select 8 GB of RAM, click on save. There you go. Then you close the emulator completely from here, and then restart the emulator and play the game. It will be, believe me guys, it will be quite smoother than the before. Though if you are going for a hardware change of RAM, it will be more effective, but people who doesn't have that much of money to spend on a PC, then you can go for virtual memory option. It's a very good one, and hope you like the video. Thank you so much, and don't forget to give a thumbs up. See you in the next video.